Should I be trying a Royal Enfield just for a change? Just for a change. This is a new road that we haven't been on. So yeah, I mean, I recently test rode the Triumph T4 and the Honda CB350 RS, but then if I am trying out the CB350 RS, the Royal Enfield J Series 350 is a very close engine that matches the the Honda, right? So I don't know why I've not tried out a Royal Enfield so far. I mean, not even taken a test ride. Maybe I should go and do that. So, but then it's a very confusing lineup. I don't know what motorcycle I should be trying there. I mean, there are a bunch of options, right? So what? Let's start with the Hunter, and then there's the Hunter, and then there's the Classic 350, of course, Bullet, and then what else? The Meteor is there. The new 450 Sherpa-based Gorilla. Lovely view, man. Lovely view. I don't know where this road goes, but yeah, we'll just taking a ride on this. Where was I? Yeah, the Sherpa-based Gorilla, and of course the Himalayan. But I think I'm not looking for a touring machine, so Himalayan is never an option. Is not an option. But yes, there's so many options. And maybe it's just worth trying out a Royal Enfield. Let me know if you want to stop somewhere. So yeah, I mean, the Classic 350 is what people usually compare with the Honda CB350 RS, and then the Hunter is something that looks very similar to the CB350. So maybe I should try out the J series based Royal Enfield, any of them for that matter, or maybe even the Gorilla. But from what I've read and from all the reviews, the Gorilla is a little too aggressive and it's not of the calm nature, so it'll be very similar to the Triumph is what I'm assuming. So maybe I'll not take that. There you go. I think my wife wants to take a photo from here. Oh, you want to take somewhere up there? Yeah. Okay. Lovely view. So where was I? Yes, the J series engines. So I mean, Royal Enfield recently fixed the Hunter 350. I believe the rear suspension was really stiff, so that has been fixed. I think the Meteor is a motorcycle that I don't think I want to try it out. Classic, I don't know, just way too many people in and around have the Classic 350, so that I don't know, it's not interesting enough for me. And then the Gorilla, I for some reason I really don't like the look of that tank. Otherwise it looks like a very nice motorcycle that you could possibly own, but the tank is something that just is a turn off and you really don't want. Yeah, I mean, I don't like it, so yeah. But that's my personal view, so yeah, let's stick to that. So I don't know, maybe I should just go take a test ride. These are preconceived notions that I have about a motorcycle and a brand. and it's best to go test ride, figure it out if it is something that would work for me. And yeah, maybe one of these days I will do that. And I'm taking my time actually this time, trying to figure out what is it that I want. Every time that I've purchased a motorcycle or even the car for that matter, I've kind of rushed into it, and that is something that I want to avoid. I want to take my time this time and just figure out one thing at a time, figure out if things work out for me or not, and yeah, that sort of thing. And that is one advice that I'll actually have to my viewers, that just take your time with figuring out the motorcycle that you want. So yeah, that's it for this video as well. Let me just enjoy taking these views, lovely views again. Take care, ride safe as always.